Apple just officially confirmed the iPhone 14 event. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another. So, guys, the most noteworthy evolution for the iPhone since from the last 5 years is going to be a new controversial design, 8K video recording, new A16 chipset, and a new camera system. And alongside with that, there are some other bunch of stuffs are coming. Now, basically, if we look at the launch date, it's going to be happening on September 7, as Apple officially confirmed on its pages. And judging upon that, the September 9 is going to be the date when it's going to be starting the pre-orders, and September 16 will be the global release. As always, Apple has teased the event in a very unique way, and basically they have showcased the galaxies with the tagline "Out of the Night Stars." This tagline clearly indicates that a new camera upgrade is going to be coming, which definitely have better low light performance. To be fair, one of the biggest feature that is coming for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup is not the design, but basically it's going to be the camera sensor that has been upgraded this year. It has been rumored that the device is going to be coming with a 48 megapixel of a main sensor, which is quite a big sensor as compared to the previous generations. Now, basically this is going to be a bigger sensor, and it will definitely help out in the night photography. And that's why Apple has shared the tagline "Out of the Sky" with the galaxies. And it means that the astrophotography feature is coming in the iPhone 14 Pro series. Apple is not the first company that is introducing the astrophotography into their system, but we already tested that on the Google Pixel devices, which looks incredible. So having this will definitely bring much better videos and photos for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models. Anyhow, these features will be exclusive to iPhone 14 Pro series. Now, also in the news, the final accurate dummies are seen in the wild, and this is how the punch hole design will look like. It's definitely very unique to the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Now, because of this new design, there is a slight change in the screenshot. Just a leaked iPhone 14 Pro screenshot reveals that the status bar icons are placed a bit lower than what we have seen on the iPhone 13 Pro series. Also, there is going to be a new star color of the whole lineup, and it's going to be the new purple. Recently, one source has an hands-on video with the iPhone 14 Pro series, which reveals perhaps one of the best things about the iPhone 14 Pro lineup that even Samsung fans appreciated. Well, basically this feature is going to be an insane battery life, and according to the source, the iPhone 14 Pro series could have a mind-blowing battery life, as Apple is looking to add more hours to its already ridiculous battery life on the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max. Once again, Apple is going to set a new benchmark when it comes to the flagship battery performance, thanks to a new A16 efficient processor, a bigger battery, and of course the latest LTPO panel. The source also revealed that the hole punch is very minor improvement over the notch, so people will definitely get used to it when they start using. Lastly, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to be the thickest iPhone and even probably the heaviest as well. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.